morning.
Good morning, Miss Alexis.
So today is Friday, and we welcome our kids that doing virtual learning. So we're gonna do our calendar that we do every morning. It's calendar time. It's calendar time. So today, what month are we in? What month are we in? Autumn. What month are we in? October.
Autumn.
There's the pumpkin. Tyree, what month are we in? What month are we in? October. Kevin, what month are we in?
Good job.
Kennedy, what month are we in? October. So can you circle October on yours? October. It should have a pumpkin. October. And you all at home, you should be circling the one with the pumpkin. October. What is today's date? Yesterday was the first, so today is the what? The second. Good job. I'm gonna put a 2 in. Oops. Sorry. Let me just move it back. I'm gonna put a 2 in my box, but you're gonna circle the number 2.
Good job, Kevin. Good job, Terry.
Kennedy, you got it? Good
Say
job,
yes,
Autumn.
Miss Alexis.
So we know that we're in the year of what? What year is this, Kevin? 2020. You're gonna circle it on yours. 2020. 2020. Go have a seat. Thank you. Go have a seat. 2020.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
The number 2 is, we're going to get to that later because I want to explain to you, because I showed you the other day how we figure out if it's an odd or even number. So, what is the weather outside today? Look outside. Kennedy, what is the weather today? Kennedy, can you tell us what the weather is today? What is the weather? What's the weather today? Is it cloudy?
I know the way it is.
What is it, Kyrie? What's the weather today?
I know it.
What is it, Kevin?
Good job, Autumn.
Sunny. Sunny? Today is sunny. It is sunny outside. Sunny, so we're going to circle sunny. You all at home? You should be circling sunny. I don't think it's raining anywhere today. I think it's going to be sun all day. The season is what?
Summer.
It's not summer anymore. What is it now? It's fall. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. It's fall. It is fall.
Good job, Kevin. Good job, Terry. Good job, Kennedy.
Fall. How do we spell fall?
I know. L.
F-A-L-L.
Good job. Good job.
So, what is the temperature outside? So, what's the temperature? Is it cold? Is it cool? Is it warm? Is it hot? What is the temperature outside today? You all at home, what is the temperature today? So, that's what you're going to circle. So, what is it outside today, y'all?
Good
It's hot.
job, Autumn.
Tyree says hot. I can go with it. It's always hot.
Woo.
Cool. Okay,
Woo.
sir. Oh, you say warm?
I say warm.
Okay, let's circle your warm.
Cold.
You say it's cold?
Yeah.
Okay.
So on that, I'm going to let you go ahead on and you decide what your temperature is, because it's different for everybody. I mean, Miss Alexis is always hot. Aiden, can you have a seat, please? Thank you. Start your paragraph.
I say warm.
So, Kennedy, what can we wear today? What is something that we can wear today?
I wear jacket.
Kevin,
You say shirt.
shirt? Kennedy says shirt. Autumn, what can we wear today?
Shirt. Yeah.
No, Kennedy already said shirt. So what can we wear today? Give me something else.
Shirt.
Shorts. Good job. Circle your shorts.
Okay, so Kevin, what can we wear today? We said shirt and we said shorts. Give me something else.
Tell her. Tell her. Pants.
Pants.
Good job.
Kyrie, can we wear anything else today? Besides a shirt, shorts, and pants? Huh?
Good job.
Sweater?
Sweater.
Okay. For some, you may want to wear a sweater if it's too cool for you. It's just not for me.
And I say jacket. I say jacket.
You said jacket, but okay. We can circle jacket. It may be cool for some of y'all that you need a jacket. I mean, everybody's body temperature is different. So, what was yesterday? What was yesterday? If today is Friday, what was yesterday?
Tuesday.
No, it was not Tuesday. What was yesterday, Kyrie? No, I didn't say today.
Friday.
No, today is Friday, so what was yesterday? What was yesterday?
It's Saturday.
No,
She
that's
can't hear you.
tomorrow.
Say it loud, Autumn.
Yesterday was what?
Autumn say Thursday.
Thursday. Good job, Autumn. I'm glad somebody know the days of their week. The days of the week. Thank you. So, if yesterday was Thursday, what is today? Today is Friday. Thank you, Daniel. Circle it. Look how Miss Alexis does her circle. I'll go right back to the point where I opened it up at. So that should be a complete circle.
Okay.
So, if yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday, can somebody please tell me what tomorrow is? It's a Saturday. Yes, no school. We don't have to get up if we don't want to. Saturday. No school. Please, no school. Circle your Saturday. Kennedy, you have it?
Okay, yes, Miss Alexis.
Good job.
And then with the
Good job. So, what's next? So, kindergarten has been in school 32 days. Kindergarten, 32 days, yes. So you're going to write, if you're in kindergarten, you're going to have some kindergartens at home, you're going to write 32. Because that's how long you've been in school. 32 days. Hurry.
32 days.
So, first through fourth, you've been in school 37 days. So I have some at home. 37 is what you should be putting there. 37. Hurry. 37. Come on, we almost finished. So, now this is the part. So we have 11 kids in our piggy bank. 11. 1, 1. Take your time. Look how, wait, let me erase this. Because I have a student in my class, I need to show him how I did this. Look how I did this. I didn't do this. Miss Alexis did not do that. Miss Alexis stayed within her line. Miss Alexis stayed within her line. Miss Alexis came, Miss Alexis stayed within her line. Kevin, pay attention. Look how I did it. I did 1. Oops, excuse me. I don't want to use a marker. I did a 1, and I stayed. I did not go over my blue line. 1 and 1. Take your time. 1. Stop. 1. Yes. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Good job, Autumn. Yes. 1 and 1. So now, Miss Alexis showed me how to tell if a number was an even number or an odd number. So let me get to my. So I have 2 fire trucks. 2 of them. How many do I have?
1, 2.
So if I had 2 people and I wanted to give 1 to Kevin, and then 1 to Aiden. Yes. So I'm going to give Kevin 1. I'm going to give Aiden 1. Here's 1 to Aiden. Here's 1 to Kevin. So is that even? Because they both got a truck together, right? They both got one. So this is how we can tell if it's an even number, because it was distributed equally. Equally. Come on. Equally. Kevin got 1. Aiden got 1. So what is today's number? Today is a even day. Even. So we're going to trace even. And we're going to do it neatly. Neatly. We're going to do it neatly. Even. Today's an even day. The number 2 is even, because that means you can have one and I can have one, and we have none left over.
I said no.
So even to my older kids with division, my 4th and 3rd and 4th graders, you put 2 into 2. 2 going to 2, 2 going to 2 one time. 2 times 2 is 2. We have nothing left over. It's an even number. Even. So now what are we going to do? So now we're going to count. We're going to color 2 of our boxes, because today is the 2nd. Today is the 2nd, so we're going to go 1, and we're going to color 2 of them. 2, 1, 2.
And then even second then.
Yes, even. Good job. 1, 2. 1, 2.
We get second.
1, 2. Even at home, we're going to color 1, 2. Because today is the 2nd day of October.
You need to do better. You need to do better. This is when we call it teaching.
So you should have that. You have 11 kids in the bank. Even number, color 1, 2. We don't need our base 10 yet because we're only on the 2nd day of the month of October. So this concludes our morning calendar. Please, parents, don't forget to send the pictures. I've been getting your pictures. Aiden, you're doing an awesome job. Learning virtually. Kudos to you. Corbin, you're doing an awesome job. Doing your calendar. Don't forget to send your pictures. I love seeing the pictures of your completed work. And I'll be posting a video later on reading comprehension. See you guys later.